There's a new feature in the Find My app that could prove absolutely invaluable if ever you lose a suitcase or some luggage at the airport, as long as you've got an AirTag stowed away inside. In the Find My app, you can see here that I've lost my keys. It can't connect them on the map, it can't find them anywhere. But hopefully as soon as someone walks past with their iPhone, that location will update and I'll be able to see where they are. Imagine this is actually a suitcase, but you can see it in the airport, you just can't physically get to it because it's behind the baggage carousel. You have to leave to get your connecting flight, but you don't want to lose your suitcase forevermore. Well, if you scroll down the page in Find My, you'll see there's a brand new option there to share the item location via a website link. This is brand new in iOS 18.2, and what it means is that you can then get a link which you can copy and email to the airport or share it to someone there who represents the airline. These links expire after a few days, so you don't need to worry about someone finding your item and keeping track of you forever, and you can cancel it at any time. Setting it up is actually incredibly easy, which is useful because I can imagine you'd be quite stressed if you needed this. And as soon as you press the continue button, it will take a moment or two, and then it will generate a URL link for you like this. I can simply tap on that and press copy, and then I can email it to whoever I want, or I can use the share button at the bottom there to do the same thing. This link requires someone to log in via an Apple ID or an Apple Partner ID, and then they can see your location of that item for up to 7 days. It is worth noting that doing this link will also share your Apple ID details, so your email address or your phone number, which means that the company can then get back in touch with you to help reunite your lost item. And this is a really, really simple little feature of iOS 18.2, but one that could save you a lot of stress. And if you want to see what else your iPhone can do, check out my channel down below.